So hi everyone. So in this video we are going to solve a medium level question of LeetCode 1689, partitioning into minimum number of Deci-binary numbers. So before starting this question, let us check what all concepts that we need to apply while solving this particular question. So yeah, we need to have a good knowledge of strings and greedy. I'm going to use greedy, but this is quite an easy problem. It has been mentioned as the medium level question in LeetCode, but it's quite an easy question. We will have a quite good approach while solving this question, and we'll solve it in a very easy way. So we have given a decimal number is called a decimal binary. So a decimal number is called a deci-binary if each of its digits is either 0 or 1. So we get to know that the deci-binary is a decimal number which has its digit either as 0 or 1. That's pretty clear without leading any zeros. Fine, that's okay. So for example, 101 and 1100 are deci-binaries, while 112 and 3001 are not. We got a clarity that what are deci members and what are deci-binary not. Same given. So we have given an integer n that represents a positive decimal integers which returns the minimum number of positive deci-binary numbers needed to sum up to n. Quite interesting question. So we can see the example number one. Suppose we input number 32. So to get we got an output 3. So just to explain this, we'll get the result as 10 plus 11 plus 11. So we are getting the numbers as the sum. Like 32, we are getting its sum as three different numbers like 10 plus 11 plus 11, and we can clearly see that all the three numbers 10 plus 11 plus 11 are deci-binary. So the main objective of question is we need to sum up 32 using the deci-binary numbers which are only 1 and zeros. So first we can just thought of 32 na. So 32 means yeah, quite, and the maximum number that we can get by using decimal numbers are what are the numbers we can get, either 0 1, okay, either 0 1, either 0 1, either 1 1, either sorry 0 1, yeah, 1 0 or 1 1. Okay, so these are the numbers that we can get. Okay, so in we have to, if we have to make 32, all the numbers must be 1 0 1 0 1 0, and after that we'll add 1 1 in any of the two elements. So in that case we'll get 32. Similarly here the case of for the second example, we got an output because as per that situation we will make 1 and triple 4 zeros. So these are the ways where which can solve this particular question, and this is a pretty interesting question. Okay, we won't get any kind of error or something like that in this particular question. If we can see example, we have maxi equals to 0, and we'll just traverse our maxi in the int that will have I minus 0 in some cases, and we'll use I in some sort of cases, which is the following will get max, will return that maxi. This is quite an easy question. This has been asked in interviews a couple of times in good companies. So yeah, just keep the clarity about this question. This question, the main objective of this question is to make us familiar about the deci numbers and how we can use those deci numbers. If we try to run this code and check whether our code is correct or not, we'll just check. Yeah, it has been accepted. Our input is 32, our output is 3, our expected output is also 3. So now we can submit this code and be assured that we are in a correct phase. So yeah, this question is correct, successfully accepted by the LeetCode. So that's it for this question. We'll see you in the next one.